Imagine a world where nobody grows old. No wrinkles. No age-related diseases. And no death from aging. For thousands of years, humans have dreamed of immortality. Ancient kings searched for it. Explorers crossed oceans hoping to find it. Alchemists spent their lives trying to create it. Today, scientists continue the same quest using modern technology. But is living forever actually possible? Or is death something humanity can never escape? To understand immortality, we first need to understand aging. Every human begins life as a tiny collection of cells. Those cells divide again and again as we grow. Over time, our bodies change. We become stronger, older, and eventually weaker. Aging may seem natural, but scientists now know it's caused by biological processes happening deep inside our cells. Inside every cell is a set of instructions known as DNA. This DNA controls how the body functions. But every time a cell divides, small mistakes can occur. Over decades, these tiny errors accumulate. DNA becomes damaged. Cells stop functioning properly. And the body gradually loses its ability to repair itself. This slow accumulation of damage is one of the main reasons we age. But nature may already hold a clue to immortality. Deep in the ocean lives a creature known as the immortal jellyfish. Unlike most animals, this tiny organism can reverse its aging process. When threatened or injured, it transforms itself back into an earlier stage of life. In theory, it can repeat this cycle indefinitely. Scientists are fascinated by this ability. Because if nature can do it, perhaps one day humans can too. The dream of eternal life is nothing new. Ancient civilizations told stories about magical waters and hidden secrets that could grant immortality. The famous Fountain of Youth became one of history's most enduring legends. Although these stories were myths, they reveal something important. Humans have always feared death. And throughout history, people have searched for ways to overcome it. Today, scientists no longer rely on myths. Instead, they study aging in laboratories. Researchers are discovering genes linked to lifespan. Some experiments have already extended the lives of animals. Others focus on slowing cellular damage. Many experts believe aging itself may eventually be treated as a medical condition. If that happens, human lifespan could increase dramatically. One of the most powerful technologies ever developed is gene editing. Scientists can now modify DNA with incredible precision. Imagine repairing damaged genetic instructions before they cause problems. Imagine removing biological weaknesses that contribute to aging. Although the technology is still developing, many researchers believe genetic engineering could become one of the most important tools in the fight against aging. Another possibility is replacing aging body parts. Scientists are already growing tissues and miniature organs in laboratories. In the future, damaged hearts, lungs, and kidneys might be replaced with new ones. Instead of allowing the body to deteriorate, doctors could simply repair or replace failing components. Much like maintaining a machine. This approach could dramatically extend human life. Some scientists and futurists believe immortality may not come from biology at all. Instead, it may come from computers. Imagine scanning every memory, thought, and experience stored inside your brain. Then transferring that information into a digital system. The result could be a digital version of you. A version capable of existing long after your biological body is gone. But this raises a difficult question. If a computer contains all your memories, is it really you? Or is it simply a copy? No one knows the answer. If humans ever achieve immortality, the consequences would be enormous. Society would change forever. Population growth could become a major challenge. Resources might become limited. And humanity would face questions it has never encountered before. Would life still feel meaningful if it never ended? Would people still take risks? Would they still value time? For now, immortality remains beyond our reach. But science continues advancing faster than ever before. Gene editing, artificial organs, regenerative medicine, and artificial intelligence. Each breakthrough brings humanity one step closer to a future that once seemed impossible. Could humans become immortal? Perhaps. The answer may arrive sooner than we think. Until then, the greatest mystery of all remains unsolved. The mystery of whether death is truly inevitable. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more fascinating mysteries, science, and discoveries. Thanks for watching.